Hello and welcome to this screencast of Transparent Logon. We've created a screen containing all the links we'll explore in this short presentation. First, let's review the backend cross-reference of Transparent Logon. It currently contains 3 users, but my user ID is not part of the cross-reference. So let's see what happens if I try to use Transparent Logon to log in to JD Edwards. I click the link, but as Transparent Logon is unable to find a cross-reference, I'm presented with a regular login screen. Now let's see what happens when I add myself to the cross-reference. So first, I'm going to add a new mapping. I add the Windows user ID and link that to a specific JD Edwards user. Now, if I use the link to log into JD Edwards, you'll see that we now bypass the login screen and go directly into JDE. If I check the system options, you can see there clearly that I'm logged in as Steltix1. So let's see what happens if I have 2 JD Edwards user IDs linked to one Windows user. Go back to the cross-reference, add a new mapping for the same Windows user, and then link it to a new JD Edwards profile. This time, when I try to log in, I'm presented with a choice. Which JD Edwards profile do I want to use to log in? Now let's check our user profile again. As you can see, we're logged in as Steltix2. So Transparent Logon was able to give me access to JD Edwards without a separate login. Now let's go back to the cross-reference. This time we're going to remove one mapping and then we'll take a look at another feature. Transparent Logon is also able to support parameterized URLs. So for example, if I create this specific link, Transparent Logon seamlessly moves to the sales order entry application. And we have more examples. Let's take a look at the link for customer 4242. Click the URL and I'm passed effortlessly to the address book record of this customer. This clearly presents an ideal way to integrate JD Edwards with other external systems. The final feature we'll take a look at today is the ability to use Transparent Logon as a self-service password reset tool. First, we'll take a look at the configuration. The system stores a series of mail settings, and then, instead of logging you into JD Edwards, it provides a password reset prompt. So for self-service password reset, Transparent Logon is the ideal tool. For more information, visit our website, where you can download a fully functioning Transparent Logon system for up to 10 user cross-references. Thanks for your time.